Hello, this is Jeff Filer from Real Estate Digital Services, and this video is to show you our single property website features and what we can do to create a single property website for you. So as the name implies, a single property website is a website designed to highlight or sell a single property, and that could be a resale, a new home, a commercial property, or even vacant land. We've done it for all of that. So our basic single property websites include 7 main pages. I'm going to go through those pages. It also includes a custom header, free hosting on our servers for up to 1 year, a domain name registration of .info or .us. You can pay extra if you'd like for a .com. They're professionally edited. We edit the property descriptions and agent, developer, and builder information. They're mobile ready so that they're able to be viewed on an iPhone or Android or any kind of device with a mobile browser. And you get a choice of 6 color options: blue, silver, red, gold, white, and black. Often we just pick the best color that matches, but if you have a specific one in mind, that's no problem, we can do that. So here is a sample of a site. This one we just called 123 Any Street in Anywhere, New York. As you can see, this is what we mean by the custom header. It is the header graphic on top. Usually we have a graphic of your home, a good section of it. We fade it out a little bit so you can see the text, and we have a picture of the agent or their logo or something like that, and we have their name, phone number, email, whatever you want to include in this header here. And then we have these 7 pages that I talked about: home, about this home, photos, map, neighborhood and schools, contact, and then about the agent. On the rest of this page we have what we call rotating images. We pick 4 or 5 images from the house to highlight them on the front page. And then we have a short blurb here about the home. We usually list the price here, and we list in the header the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. We have what we call widgets on the bottom, 3 widgets. This one often just says this site is mobile ready, alerting users that they can visit this site on their phone and be able to see it displayed properly for their phone. We can add something there special for you if you'd like. Just send a request for us to do that. In the middle we usually have directions. This will be a link to our map page, which I'll show you in a minute. And then we have the agent info, which will be a link to the agent, about the agent, or contact page. So when I go to about this home, I see yet another image here, and we have the write-up about the home. This could be what's coming from your MLS write-up, or you can write something new for this if you want to have more text about the home. There's no length here, so you can include whatever you want. And then what we do is we include the features that we get from the MLS. So that's the about this home page. Of course, we need to show photos, and this is the photos page. In this case, it's a gallery. Users can click on an image, it'll bring up a larger size image, and they can now scroll through the images by clicking the next button to see the different images of that house. When they're done, they can either hit escape on their keyboard or hit the X to close that to be back to the main page here. They can also, of course, see a map of the house. So if you click on map, here's the map. It's a Google map embedded. They can view a satellite view. They can zoom in. They can even get directions. If you click on the icon here and click on the word directions, you can see it opens it up down here, and we can type in our starting address in this field here and get directions. It'll give you the directions. It'll also enable you to print the directions as well. So that's the map page. And we also have a neighborhood and schools page. This also loads a map, but this is a map of what's called Walk Score. And Walk Score gives you a listing of what's nearby. In this case, it's telling us restaurants, coffee shops, bars, grocery stores, outdoor places, schools, shopping, and entertainment. What you do here is if you want to see information about the schools, you just click on the word schools, and it actually shows you all of the schools in the area sorted by distance. I could click on that school and get even more information about it. I can see the location, I can see photos and reviews, and click on the name and it'll bring me information about that school. I can hit back and again see restaurants and so on. So that is the neighborhood and schools. Next is the contact page. Users can click on this to contact you. They would fill out their first, last name, and email. They fill out a phone number if they want to, a message, and then they can select how they heard about the property, what their role is, how the property was priced, and if they liked it. And then they would have to submit a anti-spam code here and hit send. And the last page is what we call about the agent. This could be anything you want. It doesn't have to be about the agent. If you have something else you want to highlight here, that's fine. You can show your listings. You can show about the agent and the listings. And you'll see on some of our custom sites what we've done with these. So this is a standard site with really nothing in it, but you can see the color scheme here as well. This is what we call our white or blank theme. So it's basic white with black and a gray background. Here's another example of the same property, but this is now in the blue theme. Here's another example. This is in our silver theme, and we've done a few extra things here. So notice we decided to not put the mobile link here because we wanted information about this development here, this new development called The View at Revolutionary Heights. Users can click on this and get information about the property. On the About This home page in this one, we actually embedded a YouTube video, so users can click here and view the video as well. They can now go to the Photos page. Same situation here. We can click on Photos and see them pop up in a larger view and scroll through to see them. Same on this page. On this About the Agent, we had a little more information. Notice also on every page there's a sidebar here with quick info. We have the price, we have the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage, and we have a mortgage calculator as well. Here's another example, again a silver one, but this is a vacant lot. This is a building commercial lot, and what I wanted to show you here is we have the ability to embed panoramic images as well. So this is a panorama of this vacant lot. This is an app called 360 that you can get on your iPhone or your Android device or iPad, and you can take this panoramic video, it stitches it together, and we can upload it to our servers and host it on your website. Here's another example of a property with the black theme in this case. Same setup as you can see. Here's an example with the blue setup, the blue theme, and one with the red theme. This is what the sites look like on an iPhone. So this is the About This home page. This is the Photos page, and if a user was to click on the photo, the full screen photo can pop up and you can see that. You can use your navigation button, your swiping on your phone to move left and right through the photos, or your navigation buttons as well. And here's the contact page. So you can see everything is rendered properly for a mobile phone. The other thing we offer is sign writers. So sign writers is an option, and this would be a sign writer that would hang underneath your post, and users would be able to see obviously your website name here, or they could use their QR code reader on their phone to read the QR code and be brought directly to the website. So a user could be driving by the house, see that it's for sale, and see the QR code, scan it from their car or walk out and scan it, and instantly be brought to a website with photos of your house and information about it, and of course your contact information. We also have the ability to create custom QR codes for you. This is a basic QR code, similar to what I just showed on the other page, but we can do them in different colors, and we can actually have the codes bring you to different places. They could bring the customer to a website. They can bring you to your contact information. They can actually fill out the phone number, so all the customer has to do is type send or call, and it'll call you. It can send a pre-formatted text, or even bring you to a Google Map location. So there's a lot of things we can do for you with our single property websites and some of the add-ons we have. Please take a look at the website and look at the pricing, and let us know if you have any questions. Give us a call, 518-302-1117, or go to our contact page and contact us through email or Facebook.